येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधि प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्षवेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। 18th chapter of Upadesha Sahasri is titled as Tattvamasi Prakarana. And in this chapter, the main Purvapaksha is going to be Prasankhyanavada. So those who are attending Naishkarmya Siddhi, they already know what is this Prasankhyanavada. And in Brahadaranyaka also, this has been clarified in Bhashya and Tika. Let us see shloka number 6, page number 247. ननु वाक्योत्थ अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति प्रत्ययवत् अहम करोमि इति अपि प्रत्ययो अनुभव सिद्धः तत्र को हेतुः अयमेव अपरेण बाध्यत इति अत्र इति शंकते. Anybody wants to chant the 4th shloka without seeing?
सिद्धादेवाहमित्यस्मात् युष्मद्धर्मो निषिध्यते रज्ज्वामिवाहि धीर्युक्त्या तत्त्वमित्यादिशासनैः.
Anybody else?
सिद्धादेवाहमित्यस्मात् युष्मद्धर्मो निषिध्यते रज्ज्वामिवाहमित्युक्त्या तत्त्वमस्यादिशासनैः.
सिद्धादेवाहमित्यस्मात् युष्मद्धर्मो निषिध्यते रज्ज्वामिवाहि धीर्युक्त्या तत्त्वमस्यादिशासनैः.
तत्त्वमित्यादिशासनैः. Good. Okay. So now Purvapakshi is saying, you are saying Aham Brahmasmi, this thought, this pratyaya, this will negate Dehosmi, Kartasmi, Bhoktasmi, this thought. Both the thoughts are Anubhava Siddha. Aham Brahmasmi as well as Aham Karomi. Nanu Vakyotha Aham Brahmasmi iti Pratyavat. Aham Brahmasmi, this Pratyaya is Mahavakyotha, Mahavakyat Utthita. And Aham Karomi is Anubhava Siddha. So then between these two thoughts, तत्र को हेतुः अयम् एव अपरेण बाध्यते इति। अयम् अयम् व्हाट इज अयम्?
अहम करोमि इति प्रत्ययः।
अहम करोमि, दिस प्रत्यय अपरेण अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति प्रत्ययेन बाध्यते। इन दिस व्हाट इज द युक्ति, व्हाट इज द हेतु? This same idea can be put in different ways. Instead of aham brahmasmi and aham kartasmi, if I say jagat is satyam and jagat is mithya, both are thoughts. Shruti says jagat is mithya, pratyaksha says jagat is satyam. So then what is the hetu? Both are, you can say the pratyaksha is anubhava siddha and the other jagat mithyatva is shastra siddha. So then why do you say jagat mithya pratyaya will negate jagat satya pratyaya? Why can't it be the other way? Like that here also. Iti shankate sad brahma ham karomiti pratyaya avatma sakshikau तयोरज्ञानजस्यैव त्यागो युक्ततरो मतः सद्ब्रह्माहं करोमीति प्रत्ययावात्मसाक्षिकौ तयोरज्ञानजस्यैव त्यागो युक्ततरो मतः सद्ब्रह्म अहम, this is one. Aham karomi iti, this is second. Iti pratyayau atma sakshikau. Atma sakshikau, how will be the samasa vigraha? Atma
आत्मा च साक्षी च आत्मसाक्षिक।
what?
आत्मा साक्षी ययौ।
Atma sakshi yayoho, not yayo. Atma sakshi yayoho. Tau atma sakshikau. ययोहो प्रत्ययोहो तौ प्रत्ययौ आत्म साक्षिकौ, द्वंद्व समास। Two द्वंद्व means there are two द्विवचन, बहुव्रीहि but द्विवचन, because two pratyayas are there, aham brahmasmi and aham karomi. तयोहो प्रत्ययोहो अज्ञान जस्यैव त्यागो युक्ततरो मतः. Of these two, the अज्ञान जन्य प्रत्यय अज्ञान जस्यैव त्यागः युक्ततरो मतः, that is the युक्ततरः त्याग. So what is अज्ञान जन्य? That you have to give up. Aham karomi is pratyaksha anubhava. I am doing something. Aham tishtami, gacchami, langayami. This is pratyaksha. Pratyaksha pramana is called jyeshtha pramana. Jyeshtha pramana means first pramana that when we start living our life as a child, what we learn is pratyaksha. So some Purva will say Pratyaksha Pramana is Prabala Pramana, Jyeshthatvat. And if you see all darshanas, first Pramana they will list is Pratyaksha. Second thing is Pratyaksha Pramana is called Asanjata Virodhi Pramana. Asanjata Virodhi. Asanjata Virodhi means when Pratyaksha Pramana has come, it is like the eldest child syndrome, if you want to mention in this way. When that first Pramana is there, no other Pramana has come. So it doesn't have any Virodhi at the time of Utpatti. It is called Asanjata Virodhi. The later Pramanas, they are Sanjata Virodhi, because while they are born, they already have opponent in the form of Pratyaksha. So in particular, when Shastra Pramana works, Pratyaksha, which is going to be Virodhi of Shastra, is already present. So like when I start studying Vedanta and I want to have this thought, Aham Brahmasmi or Jagat is Mithya, at that time Pratyaksha is already present. And it will start going to refute my understanding, challenge my understanding. So the moment when I listen to Aham Brahmasmi, that mind or buddhi will say, what are you studying all this? This is of no use. You are never going to be Brahman. Don't you know you are Karta Bhokta, you are Parichinna? What is this Aham Brahmasmi? Or Jagat is Mithya. Immediately this Pratyaksha Pramana will get up and say, what Jagat Mithya? All this is there. You are doing Vyavahara with everything. This is all Satya. This is the work of Asanjata Virodhi Pramana. This Pratyaksha Pramana will do this job. It will not let you produce Aham Brahmasmi Pratyaya. This is second thought process by Purva Paksha. Third is Pratyaksha is Upajivya Pramana. Upajivya means for any other Pramana to function, they have to take support of Pratyaksha. Pratyaksha will become Ashraya. Whether Anumana Pramana, you have to know Pratyaksha Parvata, Dhuma, then you will Vyapti, somewhere you have to have. Similarly, for Shastra Pramana also, Guru has to be Pratyaksha, the Shabda Shravanam has to be Pratyaksha. Then you will do Tat Pada Tvam Pada Shodhanam. So Pratyaksha is required. And therefore, if a Purva Paksha says Pratyaksha is Jyeshthatvat, Asanjata Virodhitvat, Upajivyatvat, Prabala. So then Siddhanti will say, but it is within the realm of Ajnana. So therefore, what is born out of Ajnanam? Ajnana jasyeva tyago yuktataro mata. What is born out of ignorance should be given up. We cannot, no matter how much we like it, no matter how much we enjoy it, it is out of ignorance. What is the problem of entertaining this ignorance? It will give sorrow. It's a reality is also giving me sorrow. I'd rather have some enjoyment and suffer because of ajnanam, that suffering is going to be a lot more. It will give you suffering in this life, it will give you suffering in later lives also, which is what has been happening. Atma Sakshi Kau means Atma is Sakshi. So, Sakshi illumines both Aham Brahmasmi as well as Aham Karomi. Both vrittis are illumined by Sakshi only. But one is the right part, another is wrong. There is one point which we can discuss. I am not sure how seriously you will appreciate it. But in Naishkarma Siddhi it comes Ajnana Jasya. Ajnanaja means if Aham Karomi is arising from Ajnanam, Aham Brahmasmi is also arising from Ajnanam, somebody will say. Aham Brahmasmi also requires Shastra, Guru, Shishya. There also the thought will need Pramata, Pramana, Prameya. But Triputi is there also. It is also Ajnanajanya only. Just as Aham Karomi is Ajnanajanya, Aham Brahmasmi is also Ajnanajanya. So then we will say, yes, both are Ajnanajanya, but the karma, Aham Karomi, etc., keeps me in Ajnana. Whereas Aham Brahmasmi eliminates Ajnana. This is the Bheda. So as far as Utpatti is concerned, both require avidya. But the sthiti of Aham Brahmasmi does not require avidya. It will remove avidya. This is the Bheda. Now see Tika. Tatra niyamakam hetum vadan uttaram aha. Now, Tikakar gives niyamaka hetu. Tayoho iti. Yukta tara iti tarapaha. Tarap pratyay is there. Yukta tara. Or yukta tamaha, if there are more than two, it will be yukta tamaha, there will be tamap pratyay. We have already seen tarap and tamap pratyayas. Yatha पूर्व प्रवृत्त याग विनियोजक श्रुत्या पश्चात प्रवृत्ता लिंगादयो अप्राप्ता एव बाध्यन्ते यथावा पूर्वमेव प्रकृतेर. Okay, let's see this much first. यथावा पूर्व प्रवृत्त याग विनियोजक श्रुत्या. Earlier, if there is a yaga viniyojaka shruti, and later thereafter paschat pravritta is lingadaya. So Acharya says they are aprapta eva, they are as good as aprapta, and therefore they are badhyante. Ke badhyante? Ke badhyante?
लिङ्गादयः
लिंगादय. कस्मात् कारणात् बाध्यन्ते? अर्थ संग्रह.
श्रुति प्रमाणात्.
श्रुति प्रमाणात्.
श्रुतिलिङ्गवाक्यप्रकरणस्थानसमाख्यानं समवाये अर्थ समवाये
पारदौर्बल्येन
पारदौर्बल्यम अर्थ विप्रकर्षात्. Once again, श्रुति लिंग वाक्य प्रकरण स्थान समाख्यानाम समवाये पारदौर्बल्यम अर्थ विप्रकर्षात्. So Shruti is first, Lingadayas are later. Which will do Bhada of which one? Shruti will do Bhada of Lingadaya. They are as good as not there. Shruti overrides all the other Pramana. Those who have studied Artha Sangraha, they know this portion. So this is one. Second, Yathava. I am not going to elaborate on this portion. I am assuming you already know this. Okay. Second is Yathava Purvameva Prakriter Vikritavati Desha Praptanam Anganam Vikritigata Visheshopadeshena Paschatyena Bhada Iti. Yathava or Purvameva. So there is one Prakriti Yaga and there is one Vikriti Yaga. What is the Drishtanta for Prakriti Yaga?
ज्योतिष्ठोम
Darsha Purnamasa. Darsha Purnamasa Swarga Kamo Yajeta. That is, Darsha Purnamasa is Vikriti Prakriti Yaga. What is the definition of Prakriti? What is called Prakriti Yaga?
Definition, I don't know, Swamiji, but it is that which auxiliary yagas are given.
So, Yatra Sarva Anga Vidhanam. Yagasya Sarva Anga Vidhanam. Where the Vidhanam of all the Yaga is given. All the Anga of the Yaga is given. That is Prakriti. Vikriti is where the Anga, they are not given. But this Nyaya is there. Prakriti what? Vikriti Kartavya. So Prakriti Yaga, Darsha Purnamasa. Vikriti Yaga, Saurya Yaga. Surya Sambandhi Yaga. So there, Atidesha is there. Atidesha Praptanam Angana. Anga of Vikriti will be coming from Anga of Prakriti only. Prakriti Anga will get Atidesha in Vikriti. So Prakritehe Vikriti Vikritau Atidesha Praptanam Anganam Vikritigata Vishesha Upadeshena. If in such case, if in Vikriti Yaga, if there is any Vishesha Upadesha, then Vikritigata Visheshopadeshena Paschatyena Badha. Paschatyena Badha. Kasya Badha? Prakritehe Badha. This is little difficult. Paschatyena means Vikritigata Visheshopadeshena Prakritehe Badha. Normal procedure is Prakriti Yaga is given in Vikriti. This is all from Mimamsa. Both the Drishtantas are from Mimamsa. Prakriti Yaga is given in Vikriti. Nothing will be elaborated. Everything should come from Prakriti Yaga. In case if in Vikriti Yaga some Vishesha is given in the Anga Anushtanam, it will override Prakriti Yaga. Or certain things like Prakriti Yaga, on first day you have to do something. On second day you have to do something else. Third day something else. 3 days rituals are there. Each day there is some sacrifice also. Like in Pashu Yaga. In Vikriti Yaga, all ahutis are on the same day. So it is not first day, second day, third day. That is a Vishesha of Vikriti Yaga. Ahuti means the Pashu Sambandhi. So then by Vikriti Gata Vishesha Upadesha, that is Paschatya, Purvasya Bhada. Paschatya na Purvasya Bhada. So now he gave two Drishtanta. In the first Drishtanta, Purva will do Bhada of Paschat. In the second Drishtanta, Paschat will do Bhada of Purva. This much you understood. If you didn't understand all the other Shruti Linga Vakya Prakarana, forget that. If you remember, it is good because that is the main part. But at least what is to be collected is that in two Drishtantas, in one, Purva will do Bhada of Paschat. In second, Paschat will do Bhada of Purva. So then Purva Pakshi's suggestion is, maybe it is like this. Sometimes Shastra will do Bhada of Pratyaksha. Sometimes Pratyaksha will do Bhada of Shastra. Either is okay. Therefore, iti yuktatve api aniyamaha. Badhya bhadakayoho purva aparibhavasya. Then there is no niyama which one will do Bhada of which one. Between Badhya bhadaka, there is no niyama. Between Purva aparabhava, there is no niyama. After Purva paribhavasya, you put comma. Na tatha asya nyayasya iti yuktataraha iti uktam. It is not like that in this case. Here it is not that sometimes Aham Brahmasmi is powerful. Like in the morning when I am doing Dhyanam, Chidananda Rupaha Shivoham Shivoham. So I will do Bhada of Aham Karta. Then after 9 o'clock, I am so active, my Rajoguna is full swing, I am Karta, I forget I am Brahma. So Aham Karta has done Bhada of Aham Brahmasmi. Then somebody scolds me, something happens, and I don't have any answer, then I say Aham Brahmasmi. Many people, they love this. When they don't have any explanation, any answer, Aham Brahmasmi. And when Rajoguna is there and whatever they want happens, Aham Karta Asmi. Because that is what they want to do. So sometimes this, and then in the evening, when I am tired, I sit down, I am so exhausted, I cannot do any karma, Aham Brahmasmi. Very convenient philosophy. So sometimes I am Karta, sometimes I am Brahma. You see, it is not like that. It is always Aham Brahmasmi will do Bhada of Aham Karta Asmi. Because that Aham Karta is out of ignorance. This shloka is clear.
Yes, Swamiji.
Atidesha. In the Tika, there was one word Atidesha. Prakritehe vikritav atidesha prapta. Atidesha means Prakriti will be extended to Vikriti Yaga. Whatever is the Anga of Prakriti will be extended in Vikriti. This is called Atidesha. अत्र कः प्रमाणजः प्रत्ययः को वा अज्ञानजः इति वीक्षायां विविच्य दर्शयति. Purvapakshi says, now out of these two, which one is arising from pramana and which one is arising from ajnanam? This viksha will be there. Means virtum ichha. Vivaksha, that itself is given viksha. Vikshayam vivichya darshayati. Now they are separated and shown. Sadasmiti pramanotha धीरन्यातन्निबोधभवा प्रत्यक्षादिनिभावापि बाध्यते दिग्भ्रमादिवत् सदस्मीति प्रमाणोत्था धीरन्या तन्निबोधभवा प्रत्यक्षादिनिभावापि बाध्यते दिग्भ्रमादिवत् सदस्मीति धीहि प्रमाणोत्था अन्याधीहि तन्निभ उद्भवा तन्निभोद्भवा तन्निभ is what is the praman. Anyadhi is praman nibh. Nibh means sadrisha. See, sadasmi means sadasmi. Earlier he said brahmasmi, sad brahma. Now he says sadasmi. Means you should understand sad brahma asmi. Sad brahma asmi. This is arising from pramana. Pramanotha dhihi. Anyadhihi. Which is the anyadhi?
Ajnana.
Aham karomi.
Aham karomi buddhi tannibha udbhava. Tannibha means pramana nibha. It is as if coming from pramana. So pratyaksha pramana is called pramana abhasa. Tannibha udbhava. This is darshtanta. Drishtanta is given the second line. Pratyaksha nibha, pratyakshadi nibhavapi. Or this pratyakshadi nibha is tannibha. Okay, let us read this way. Sadasmiti pramanotha dihi anyadihi pratyakshadi nibha tan tat udbhava बाध्यते. So मुख्य वाक्य is सद अस्मि इति प्रमाणोत्थादि अन्याधि बाध्यते. Aham brahmasmi buddhi will do bada of aham karomi. Sad asmi iti is pramanotha. The other is tannibha. Tannibha means they are like pramana utpanna, pramana udbha, pramanotha. But really they are not pramanotha. How? Like dig brahmadivat. If I get lost in the directions and I feel the wrong side as east, let us say. So it is also based on some pratyaksha, but it is erroneous praman. And then when I see the sunrise or sunset, then I understand. I was at one place in a very tall building. Very tall means very tall. And in the afternoon time, I was on the terrace. Some other people were there with me. The city was like full of buildings and buildings only. Okay? There were so many streets. So people, those who say, no, oh, this side is east and this is here and that is there. You just see your shadow. And from there you understand where is east. So if that is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it is easy to recognize. Sun has already started going towards west. So your shadow will be in the east like that. But people do, you will not believe, those who lived there, they had Dig Brahma. Because they go by what is there and all those things. Pratyakshadi nibha. Then Purvapakshi says, look, you Vedantin, you say there are 6 pramanas that you accept. Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi and Shabda. Or Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Shabda, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi. This is the Krama, 6. So why do you say Pratyaksha is Pramana Nibha? It is also Pramana. Then what will Siddhanti say? Vedanta has some more explanation for such things. Vedanta says the Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi, they are Atattva Vedaka Pramana. Whereas Vedanta is Tattva Vedaka Pramana. Even Purva Mimamsa is Atattva Vedaka Pramana. In other words, what is said by that Pramana today can be refuted by another Pramana. So there, that truth which is revealed by those other Pramanas is not Paramarthika. What is revealed by Vedanta is Paramarthika. That's why it is called Tattva Vedaka Pramana. Dhi tika, dhis tattvamasi iti nirdushta vakya pramanotha. This is one. Dhihi means tattvamasi iti dhihi. This is nirdushta vakya pramanotha. After that, put comma or semicolon. Anya dhihi, you should understand. Kartaham ityadi dhis tan nibhodh bhava pramana abhasa samudbhuta. Aham karta is only arising from pramana abhasa. It is not absolutely real. Pramana abhasa samudbhuta. Aviveka doshaskandhitatva adityartha. And that thought is aviveka dosha askandita. Askandita means burdened by. Bharagrastatva. It has the burden of the aviveka dosha. Aviveka doshaskandhitatvat. Ityartha. Vakyajanya jnanasyapi pratyakshabhasa bhadanam drishtantena buddhim arohayati pratyakshaditi. So really speaking, drishtanta is the entire second line. Pratyakshadinibha vapi badhyate digbhramavdivat. Pratyakshadinibha dhihi digbhramadivat pramanotha dhihi pratyakshadinibha dhi badhyate. Any pramanotha buddhi will refute the pramana abhasa buddhi. This is the niyama. So in tika vakyajanya jnanasyapi pratyaksha abhasa badhanam. Vakyajanya jnanam will do badha of pratyaksha abhasa. Like when I feel this is east versus somebody else tells me no, this is east. So drishtantena buddhim arohayati pratyaksha. Nanu brahmasmi iti buddhivat kartritvadi buddhehe api satyam vada dharmam chara sahi karta bhoktetyahur manishinaha. There are two different quotations. Sahi karta is one. Bhoktetyahur manishina is second. Ityadi vachana shastra siddhatvam tulyam iti katham tasya badhyatvam ityashankya. Now someone says both kartritva buddhi is also coming from Vedas. Like satyam vada, dharmam chara. This is from
Taittiriya.
Taittiriya Upanishad.
Taittiriya. Then what is the name of the Upanishad? Taittiriya, not Taittiriya. शिक्षावल्ली सत्यम वद धर्मम चर सही कर्ता दिस इज बृहदारण्यक 4:3-10 भोक्तेत्याहुर्मनीषिणः इज
Kata.
कठोपनिषद what is the mantra both the mantras atmanam rathinam viddhi then
शरीरं रथमेव
रथमेव तु बुद्धिं तु सारथिं विद्धि मनः प्रग्रहमेव च इन्द्रियाणां हि चरतां यन्मनोनुविधीयते
from Kathopanishad we went to Bhagavad Gita
इन्द्रियाणि हयानाहुर्विषयांस्तेषु गोचराम् आत्मेन्द्रियमनोयुक्तं भोक्तेत्याहुर्मनीषिणः.
now this both are from Katha so this Jivatma is Bhokta this is given in Upanishad इत्यादि वचनात् शास्त्र सिद्धत्वं तुल्यम both are शास्त्र सिद्ध so why do you say your shastra is more powerful than my shastra प्रथम तस्याः बाध्यत्वं कर्तृत्वादि बुद्धेः प्रथम बाध्यत्वम् इति आशंक्याः कुरु भोक्तेति यच्छास्त्रं लोकबुद्ध्यनुवादितत् सदस्मीति श्रुतेर्जाता बाध्यतेऽन्यैतयैव धीः कुरु भोक्तेति यच्छास्त्रं लोकबुद्ध्यनुवादितत् सदस्मीति श्रुतेर्जाता बाध्यतेऽन्यैतयैव धीः त्वं कुरु त्वं भोक्ता इति शास्त्रम दिस शास्त्र is loka buddhi anuvadi yat shastram guru bhokta iti tat loka buddhi anuvadi shastram this is only anuvada restatement of what is the thinking of laukika people who do not know shastra vichara properly this is how they think shastra anabhignya सद श्रुतेः जानाति सद ब्रह्महमस्मि this buddhi is arising from shruti means this is not anuvada aham karta aham bhokta aham drashta shrota manta this is laukika buddhi shruti says you are none of this you are brahma so sadasmi iti dhihi shrutehe jata shrutehe panchami then next sentence is तयैव अन्या नहीं एतया एव अन्याधीः बाध्यते एतया एव अन्याधीः बाध्यते एतया सदस्मि इति बुद्ध्या अन्या एव धीः कुरु भोक्ता धीः बाध्यते that will get negated Anvay is clear
Yes, Swamiji.
and meaning I hope that is also clear
Ji, Swamiji.
okay Tika we will see next time Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।